Why go for 7 kitchen appliances when you have one single pot that can do these functions perfectly well? Instant Pot multi-cooker 7-in-1 pot has so many reasons why you should check it out. This pot has 7-in-1 functionality. It pressure cooks, it slow cooks, it's a rice cooker, a yogurt maker, a steamer. It can be used as a sauté pan and food warmer, plus it could serve as a sterilizer for your appliances and home equipment. This pot has quick one-touch cooking that contains 13 customized smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. This pot also have the ability to fast or slow cook. You can pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking method, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes just like grandma used to. When it comes to cleaning up, the fingerprint resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot and accessory makes it so quick and easy to clean up. This pot has over 10 safety features plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. This pot cooks for up to 6 people, which makes it perfect for a growing family, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles too. It also has a versatile inner cooking pot. We use food grade stainless steel, a triple bottom for more even cooking and perfect for sautéing. So why go for separate 7 pots and occupy your space instead of going for this one pot that will still do all these functions and do it perfectly well? This pot got me so excited, and I know it will also get you excited. If you want to check this pot out, check my description box. There's a link there where you could check out for your own pot. I cannot overemphasize the safety features of this pot. The tight locking lid makes it so safe to use for the family, and then the point where you release heat after cooking, so safe, and you have minimal accident while used at home. If you ask me, I'd rather save money, save space, and still make delicious meals. So I will go for this pot again and again. There is a video you could check out for a great tumbler for your adventures. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my other video. Bye.